All right, so y'all have no idea what I have been through to try and get this phone here as soon as possible. Let's make a long story short, I actually pre-ordered this device. I was supposed to get it day one, but it was actually confirmed that it was stolen off of the delivery truck that day. So kind of had to wait to reorder another one and they were back ordered. So yeah, that's one reason why I'm kind of late to actually even receiving this device. But finally, the day has come. It is here. What's going on, everyone? Josh Quinones here, and today we are going to be unboxing and getting my first impressions on the iPhone 13 Pro Max. That's right, a hardcore Android user like myself is going to check out the iPhone 13 Pro Max. And for those of you who are new to the channel, my first ever iPhone that I've ever tried out and purchased for myself was actually the previous iPhone 12 Pro Max. And you know, I always used to talk smack about iPhones and how much they suck, how they were trash, this and that. But you know what? I finally thought to myself, you know what? It's time to grow up. I actually got to give an iPhone a chance to really see what I think about it instead of just talking smack about it without actually checking it out. And I actually turned out to like the iPhone 12 Pro Max, but you know, I just found it wasn't really for me. It's not gonna be for everybody, but a lot of people do like it, and it was a really good phone, but it just wasn't for me. So we're gonna see if the iPhone 13 Pro Max can change my mind on that. And honestly, I'm actually really excited to check out this phone right here. And one of the biggest reasons for that is the cinematic mode when it comes to taking video. And also because I ended up getting the gold model here, and I have never had a gold phone before. And I am done talking. I'm gonna shut up. Let's go and get this unboxed. And I did accidentally already rip off the tabs here, but I have not opened the box yet. So you guys are gonna get my first impressions right here. All right, I am excited. Let's do this. Let's do this right here on camera. Ready? Woo! Okay, that's, oh my God. Okay, hold up. Give me a second. Give me a second. Wow. I was not expecting it to look this good, honestly. I mean, as far as just the overall back and looks go of this device, I mean, it looks pretty much exactly like the 12 Pro Max, but this color right here is nice. Like I said, I have never had a gold phone before. I mean, just get a close up on that. Look at how good that looks. Absolutely beautiful. I got to give it to Apple on that. I mean, this gold color is really, really nice. Now, the camera lenses do look like they are a little bit bigger than what was on the 12 Pro Max. I don't remember exactly, but they do look a bit bigger if I do remember correctly. But my goodness, I cannot get over how good this actually looks. Now, it kind of scares me the way the camera modules are just kind of popping out the back. I'm definitely going to be using a case with this device right here to protect those cameras, because I'm kind of scared if I were to accidentally drop it like this flat on its back, I don't know, it might damage those camera lenses. I'm not really sure how strong they are, but definitely a beautiful device. Let's go and take off this piece of paper right here. Go ahead and throw that over to the side. And here is the display, which I can't really tell much about it. Let's see if it's got some juice. Here we go, here we go. Let's see, do we got juice? Come on, I know you got some juice. There we go. Get that classic little Apple logo there in the front. Let's go ahead and see what's in the box real quick. Nothing much, just your SIM ejector tool, your Apple sticker, and you use your manual and all that. Throw that to the side. And then the lightning cable, nothing else in the box, which is why the box is so skinny. Look at that. So I'm gonna go ahead and just toss the box to the side. We don't need that. And it looks like the phone is starting up right there. Look at that. So while the phone is booting itself up here, I wanna take this moment to give a quick, huge thanks and shout out to the sponsors of this video, Casetify. Now, with the phone as beautiful as this right here, you wanna make sure that you keep it protected, but with style, and that's where Casetify comes in. They have tons of cases to choose from, tons of designs to choose from. As you can see, I got some right here, right in front of me. Not only do they have the designs that they offer themselves, but you can also customize your own case. I mean, look at all these cases that they sent out right here. I mean, I got tons of cases right here, and as you can see, I was able to customize some of my own that have my name on it, some that have my last name on it. I mean, like I said, they got tons to choose from. Now, the Impact and the Ultra Impact cases that I have here are made with 65% recycled and plant-based materials. All of their cases come in 100% recycled packaging as well. So Casetify is all about saving the planet. Hey, I'm totally with that. The fact that they were able to make really cool cases like this out of recycled materials and plant-based materials is actually pretty amazing. These cases also feature Defensify, an antimicrobial coating killing 99% of bacteria to keep you safe from any germs. And we also have something called Chi-Tech, which is an impact absorbing material engineered with a dual layer construction to protect your phone from drops up to 9.8 feet, which is crazy. So with the impact cases, you're gonna get up to 6.6 feet of drop protection. And with the ultra impact cases, you're going to get up to 9.8 feet of drop protection, which is insane. And y'all already know I'm gonna have a drop test coming with all of these cases right here on the iPhone 13 Pro Max. So make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for that video because you are not going to want to miss out. So again, if you want to keep your beautiful iPhone like this protected, make sure to check out the sponsors of this video, Casetify. All right, so I got the phone all set up and ready to go for the most part. And my goodness, it took so long to set this phone up and transfer over very little information. All I transferred over from my Android device was some text messages and contacts, and that's it. It took like 35 minutes just to transfer over that very little information. I mean, I don't know, is that normal? Transferring stuff over from an Android device to an iPhone? I really don't know, to be honest. If it is normal, then they got to do something to fix that and transfer it over a lot faster. Now, it was a very easy process. It wasn't hard at all. Once I was signing into the iPhone 13 Pro Max here, a little notification popped up asking if I wanted to use the Move to iOS app from the Android to my iPhone right here. So all I had to do was download it on my Galaxy S21 Ultra, and it was as easy as just basically picking what I wanted to transfer over. And to keep it nice and quick, all I transferred over again was just a couple text messages and my contacts, and it took a long time. But again, it was an easy process. But hopefully in the future, they could make that transfer process a lot faster. So looking at the display here, the notch is definitely still there up at the top. Although I will say they did make it a little bit smaller. You can tell that it is a little bit smaller coming from the iPhone 12 Pro Max. But honestly, for me, I still don't like it. I've never liked the notch. I mean, I'm sure if I was using iPhones from the very beginning, it probably wouldn't be a big deal to me. I'd probably be used to it and it would be nothing to me, to be honest. But after using Android devices for so long and being able to use all screen, like getting that all screen experience like this, I mean, once you look at this notch, honestly, it just kind of looks a little ugly to you. I mean, this is just me. I'm not saying it's a bad thing. I know it's got the Face ID in there, which I set up and it actually works. It's legit. I mean, it works really, really good. We need to get something like this on Android. So I guess that's one good thing about having the notch is that you do have that Face ID that works flawlessly. But as far as the display goes, the display actually looks really nice. I mean, the colors look nice. And when it comes to that 120 hertz on here, I've kind of just been scrolling through the phone and I don't really see it too much. I don't know, I can't really tell because I know it goes back and forth between 10 hertz up to 120 hertz or anywhere in between. And I have my S21 Ultra right here, scrolling in the phone right here, I can tell that it is using 120 hertz. But here on the iPhone 13 Pro Max, I am getting a super smooth experience. I just can't tell yet if it's 120 hertz or not, because right now, at least, it's not looking as smooth as what I'm getting on my S21 Ultra. I mean, this I can tell right off the bat. But right here, it is a smooth experience. I'm just not sure it's currently at 120 hertz right now, just scrolling up and down right here and then scrolling side to side. But I'm sure, once I start using, specific apps, maybe that's when 120 hertz will turn on. I'm really not sure, to be honest. But as far as the overall display, I mean, it is definitely a beautiful looking display, like I said, aside from that notch. And just the overall phone itself, absolutely beautiful. And I'm not trying to go too in-depth here. This was just supposed to be an unboxing and my first impressions on this device right here. One thing I am super excited to try and use is that cinematic mode with the camera. So let me go ahead and go into that. Where the heck is the camera? Okay, I got the camera right here. We got the cinematic mode. So let's see. So what I'm gonna do, let's see. I'm gonna hold up one of the Casetify cases here and let's see how this works. So it's currently focused on you guys on the camera. Let's see if I hold this up. Let me hold it upside down. If I hold it up like this, it focuses on the case. Focuses, okay. Pretty cool, not too bad, not too bad. So really excited to do a full test with this cinematic mode. But overall, first impressions on this device, definitely a beautiful looking device, beautiful display. Again, beautiful. I cannot get over how good this phone looks. I know. I'll stop. But anyways, so yes, I know I am a hardcore Android user, but I am going into this with an open mind, 100%. I'm not trying to be a hater here or anything like that. I really want to give it its fair chance, just as I did with the iPhone 12 Pro Max. So I'm actually really excited to start using this. I mean, it even feels really good in the hand. It feels super premium in the hand. It feels really, really good. So I will definitely give it that as well. But I'm gonna have tons of videos coming for this device right here. I'm gonna be doing my all-day battery drain test because I've heard that battery life is really, really good on this device. So really curious to check that out and see just how good it is. So I'll definitely be doing one of my all-day battery drain tests. I'll be checking out, the cameras. I'll be customizing this phone to where I like it, and I'll be sharing my whole setup with you guys. I got case review coming. I got screen protector reviews coming. So I got tons of videos coming with this phone right here, tons of content. So if you are not subscribed yet, again, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. But if you did like this video and find it helpful, and if you maybe like my reaction, things like that, I don't know, just make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Again, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you all so very much for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.